Why the heck should you drink a smoothie in the morning? Well, the reason is there's just so few good breakfast foods. We all go to these coffee places and grab a donut or a bagel. We go get bacon and eggs, and I'm very, very guilty of going to one of my favorite places, Waffle House, and getting my bacon and eggs and occasional waffle. But what do we eat in breakfast? And it's just very, very difficult. And so I have a great smoothie recipe. And this is what it is, and I'm going to put a copy up and above, but I put 30 grams of whey protein, and I've tried all the different proteins because you don't want one that really tastes weird. And the thing about smoothies, particularly the ones you buy elsewhere, they always taste like the aftertaste of a Diet Coke or a beer, which I really just don't like that aftertaste. And I put a half a banana, not supposed to eat a lot of bananas, but half a banana seems to dull that harsh taste of the beer or the Diet Coke. My ice is going to be frozen blueberries, strawberries, and peaches. And based on what I want that day, if I want a strawberry one, I'll put all strawberries. I usually mix them. If I want more blueberries, I want more peaches, you just mix them. I put kefir. Kefir you buy in the dairy section. Very healthy. Put a little bit of kefir. And then a splash of whole milk. Just a splash. And you don't have to use that, but a splash of whole milk. And then the main liquid is almond milk. So the whey protein, almond milk with a mixture of the frozen vegetables, kefir, half a banana, and here's the recipe above. I think it's a great recipe. I've eaten it for 10 or 15 years. I eat it probably 6 days a week, some weeks 7 days a week, and then one day a week I'll eat, eggs. So like, comment, subscribe. More later.